guys, it's me Hannah and welcome back to HannahsHawtGlam. Today I am going to do a full face first impressions. At least I don't have a blush or a bronzer or a contour. I think I have everything else. I don't have a brow product either. That's why my brows are already filled in. But I think I have everything else. I have eyeshadow, I have highlight, I have foundation, concealer, mascara. I'm looking down at it. It's all a mess. I have the new Beauty Blender Chill. I have a primer, I have lashes, and I have a lip product. But everything else is going to be stuff I already have, so we'll just like scroll through that part. But so I'm gonna go dampen this Beauty Blender. I haven't even opened it. I've had this for like multiple weeks and I haven't even opened it. But so I'm gonna go dampen this and I'll be right back and we will get into the first. Alright, so to prime, because we're just going to go ahead and do complexion first, I have the little baby version of the Farsali Unicorn Essence. This is like a huge product on like the Instagram. A lot of like Instagram gurus like use this to prime. So I'm going to try it. I got the small one because the bigger one's like 50 bucks. So I guess, I don't know how I want to do this. It looks like medicine. It looks like that pink medicine that used to take when you were a kid, or maybe that was just me. And I'm just gonna drip some on our face, I guess. I mean, they do it, so why not? And rub it in. Okay. Next up, everything's like over here. Next up, I have the new Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. It has SPF 20 in it. It's a brightening complex and it's for all skin types, and it looks like this. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, which if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But it just has this huge doe foot, and I got the shade Deep Warm 2, DW2. I guess I'm just gonna put this on her face. The color looks a little bit, I don't really know how to, I've heard Kathleen likes to talk about this, but I don't know. Should I use a beauty blender or should I use a brush? I'm gonna use a brush because I like using a brush for my foundation and a beauty blender for my concealer. Okay, so here is the color. I think it looks really nice. Like, it's definitely like I think it's a medium coverage because I can still see some of my blemishes, but it's not bad. My skin looks really healthy and just nice. I think this is a good foundation. I'm not gonna do a wear test on it like I have the Tarte Shape Tape, but I will keep it on the rest of the video and see how it is. Now I'm trying out the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. Everyone's been trying out. Everyone says this is a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. I'm all about trying new concealers. I love concealers. I love trying them. It has a huge doe foot, kind of like Tarte Shape Tape. Oh gosh. So I guess, yeah, that's a nice color. So I don't have the box to this, but it's the e.l.f. X Heart Defense Coffee and Cream Highlighter. This came out quite a while ago, but I saw it in Ulta and it was the last one and I picked it up. I like the packaging and it just looks like this. It's really pretty. I think this one will be too light for me and this one will be a little bit too dark for my skin tone, so I'm gonna mix them together, see what we come up with. It's really pretty. I like it. I don't really know who Tarte Hamptons is, but it's a pretty eyeliner. But yeah, let's go into this one. So I think on just a super fluffy brush, I want to take the shade Buttercup right here. This kind of like nice, like, I don't know how to describe it. We're just gonna sculpt the crease with that. All right, next I'm going to just go in with a more like tapered brush. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know what look I want to do today. There's so many like shades in here. What do I want to do? I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Bestie down here. It's kind of like, I don't know, like a warm toned rosy pink shade. Then next I'm gonna go in with just a more like tapered brush, and I think I want to deepen it up a little bit, but I don't know, it's light. I'm gonna go into the shade Stalker right there. And work that into the crease and more like on the outer V. And now I'm gonna take an even more tapered brush and go into the shade. I guess we're just using mainly this side today, aren't we? I'm just gonna take the shade Vampette right here, dark shade, and just focus that on the outer corner. And then over top of it, just with a brush, I think I'm going to go in to the shade on the side, Holy Grail. It's just kind of more of like a champagne-y shade, and just kind of pack that on top. Ooh! I was not expecting it to be like that pigmented. Go back in with like a tapered brush, and I'm going to hit the shade Lover, which is like this purple shade. And I just want to go kind of like into like the outer crease. Just like the outer crease, like that's all we're doing. We're not going too far in. This shade. See, we didn't even put that much on. And then I'm gonna go in back into my e.l.f. Heart Defense and put that on the brow bone so that we're all matchy. Now I'm gonna take the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I have had this for like a week, and I've been wanting to try it out because everyone is like raving about it, and I feel very out of the loop. So this is the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang, and it also is supposed to have aero particles that are one of the lightest known materials, and they're used in astronaut spacesuits, which is really cool. So I'm just gonna go in. Well, I'm gonna curl my lashes because I always do that. We gotta give it a fair chance. We can't be playing it. It's gotta have a fair chance. All right, let's go in. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've not been this excited to use mascara. Oh. Oh. Wow. It came to do it, and it did it. Oh wow, that's nice. That's nice. Highly recommend. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Just keep going. Keep vibing with me. I'm gonna try this new pair of lashes. It's the House of Lashes Sephora collection in the shade Natalia. Natalia. I like the blue packaging. I love House of Lashes, and I love that you can get them at Sephora. And I love that they're only $14 because some brands be charging way too much for their lashes, but these ones are just kind of like fluffy and just pretty. I love a fluffy lash. So I'm gonna throw these on off camera, or you'd be here for forever, and then check back in and tell you guys how I like it. All right, guys, we are back. Look at these lashes. Oh my. Was she born with it? No, she wasn't. But look at them, they're so pretty. I love how they're kind of like, they like go like different directions. Like I think it's really pretty. Man, the fact that I'm not going anywhere after this kind of is sad. It's kind of sad. It's sad. But we're gonna try this. I'm really excited. This is the new Becca Ocean Jewels Collection Lip Intuitive Glow Gloss. And one, I love the packaging. Can you see that? Can you see how cool that is? But it says, bring out the natural beauty of your lips. Lip Intuitive Glow Gloss reacts to the chemistry of your lips, blooming into your perfect shade. Microfine pearls leave lips with a kiss of light, while nourishing avocado oil, vitamin E, and shea butter help keep lips hydrated and kissable. This universal shade intuitively knows your perfect pink, from a soft rosebud pink to a muted plum. That's really cool. And it looks like this. Look at that. Look at that. It's so cool looking. I love the packaging too. So I guess let's like put some of this on and see what happens. My lips are kind of like brown on top and pink on the bottom, so let's see. It goes on clear. All right, that's really pretty. Let's see if it changes. Let's see. Kind of think it's turning pink. Is it turning pink? Can you tell? I think I liked everything that we tried out. I liked the foundation. Where is it? I liked the concealer. I think the primer is good. The highlights, the eyeshadow palette, the mascara, man. Yes, 100% recommend on e.l.f. Yes, e.l.f., whatever. Gloss I think is amazing. I love myself a gloss. But yeah, I think everything we tried out is really good. I don't think there's anything that I don't like. So thank you guys for watching. You know the drill. Go check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Depop. I do sell some stuff. I don't know if I have a lot of stuff up right now. I haven't checked in a while. But yeah, go check me out there. And go watch some of my other videos. Go do it. Why not? You've already been here for what, like 8 to 10 minutes? Why not go check out another video? You know you want to. I know you do. I know you do. But anyway, guys, have a great day. Stay classy. I think I said that wrong. Stay classy. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.